my channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making some red cheesy scalloped potatoes. Okay, so to start, we're going to use some red potatoes. You can use russet potatoes if you want. Any type of potatoes you want to use is fine. I have a cup of milk here, some garlic, seasonings of my choice, which is Himalayan salt, onion powder, pepper, garlic and pepper seasoning, garlic and herb, and then I have a cup of the flour, some of the Philadelphia cream cheese. I have a half a bar here, and then I have a stick of butter. I have some sharp cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese here, and then I also have some white cheddar. Use any type of cheese that you want to use. And then I have my grater here, which is going to slice the potatoes, y'all. All right, my creators, let's get it. Use my potatoes with y'all. I have this big for nothing cast iron skillet. Don't feel like you have to use that. You guys can peel your potatoes if you want. I like the skin. It has a lot of vitamins in it. So I'm going to keep my skin on my potato. But feel free to go ahead and take the skin off, okay? Y'all see me struggling right here? And be careful with this type of slicer, you guys, if you have a better one. This is Martha Stewart, but see how thin that is? You want them to be that thin, you guys. So continue to slice. I'm going to slice the rest of these and meet you guys right back. Let's start with this roux. So we're gonna start with the cup of milk, okay? Then we're going to put our seasonings in there. Season it how you wish. Now I did rinse my potatoes off, y'all. Then I have some black pepper in there. Some onion powder. You guys, my husband want to say hello so daggone bad to y'all. Go ahead.
No, I'm good.
Silly self. So we have some garlic and pepper. This is his Father's Day dinner, y'all. So I'm actually cooking some honey sriracha ribs, as well as coleslaw and some potatoes. But I didn't want to record all of that. It's my second video today, so I'm just doing the potatoes, you guys.
How much salt was that?
That was about a tablespoon of salt, but they know they season it to their taste, because not a lot of people like salt. And I don't like salt either, but Himalayan salt is where it's at. Okay, y'all. So,
What's this? What you making?
This is the roux.
Roux.
Y'all, he's getting on my nerves. You gotta go. You gotta go. This is the roux. So I have a half a stick of cream cheese, a half a bar of cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese. Woo! How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. Good. So y'all know my videos, I always give y'all a word. And today, the word was... Yes, it was, son. So today the word was just about how your heart has to be in the right place in order to trust God with everything that's going on in your life. And it becomes hard to trust him when it seems like everything is just all over the place. But you have to continue to trust him. And it's okay to sometimes think, oh man, it's never going to work out, or, you know, this is not the right thing to do. It's okay, but you have to lean not on your own understanding and just continue to go forward with whatever you're trying to pursue, you guys. I have a tablespoon of garlic here. Okay. I'm just going to use the rest of this garlic because it ain't nothing else in here. This is a done deal. Okay. So you have to continue to believe in the Lord and trust him with all your heart. It was a very good word today. Very good word today. You guys, what did y'all do to pertain into your dreams today? I hope y'all did something. I don't care if it was writing down a plan. It was something. Okay? Don't give up on yourself, y'all. Don't give up. Okay? All right, so we're just going to let this come together a little bit, and then we're gonna add the flour in. Stay tuned. Go ahead and add in this butter. Okay, and I'm gonna use a whole stick of butter. Okay, y'all, so that butter is nice and melted. And turn your temperature down. I had it on medium. Okay. Then we're going to want to add in that flour. Add it in slowly, okay? Yeah, I know y'all hear Daniel Jr. in the back. Okay. So add it in slow. Yeah, I did put in 3 more cups of milk because I have a lot here. And I'm going to add in about a cup of the white cheddar. Okay. And then I'm going to add in another cup of the regular cheddar. Okay. Again, you guys can put in whatever type of cheese you would like to. Okay. And you want that nice thick roux, but keep on smoothing it out. Okay. You want to keep on smoothing it out because you don't want any lumps. Okay. Stay with me. See that cheesy roux right there? Let's start layering this thing. And y'all, I think I made too much roux, honestly. You know I did. Okay. So we're gonna put a layer of the potatoes down. Then we're gonna put on that cheese sauce. Just let it fall right in there, just like that. Okay. Y'all, this gonna come out good. Okay. Y'all can put another layer of cheese if you want to. I think that's gonna be too much for me, personally. But do you, boo. Okay. So, layering it again. Some more cheese sauce, y'all. Okay. I'm definitely gonna put cheese on top though. That is a given. Okay. All right. And I got this big for nothing cast iron skillet. Y'all, I went crazy when we moved to this new house. I just went crazy. Okay. So we're gonna put some more of that cheese sauce right on top. I actually used it all, which is good. Okay. You're gonna wanna put this in your oven, 350 for 45 minutes. Okay. Don't check it, don't do nothing. Check it, don't do nothing. Trust the process, y'all. Okay. So now I'm gonna put some shredded cheddar on the top. Whew, y'all. These potatoes are gonna be good. I know it. I know it. And then the other smoked white cheddar on the top. Okay? Y'all know I'm gonna throw some parsley on this when it come out, right? Y'all know I love my parsley. All right, so again, 350 for 45 minutes. Came out, as you can see, it's still bubbling. Y'all, let me tell you, this was in the oven for almost an hour, okay? So 45 minutes wasn't long enough. Cook it for about an hour until you see it nice and golden brown. It might be a little less for you only because your pan might be a little smaller, but y'all, look at that. Don't hurt yourself with this. It's a lot of cheese in there, y'all. Of course, let it go ahead and cool down for about 15 minutes or so, then y'all can dive right in. Okay, I'm going to put some parsley on the top. Y'all know how I do with my parsley, honey. Okay, and there we have it, my creators. Red skin baked cheesy potatoes, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Until next time, my creators. Till next time, keep believing in yourself. Have a good one, y'all.